Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A quick analysis on the US market. Now, first we will see Dow Jones, how Dow Jones is reacting. There you can see on the chart, this was the high that Dow Jones had made. From 40,000, 45,000. There was a correction of 7,000 points, and that was 25% of total market. So that was the correction of 25%. Then market had made this low. Again, the market went up, again came down this till this point, till the point of 38,000. Now this low was not broken when market came down. Again, market has been trending upward and now is sustaining here. See that was the gap window, and the market had was gap down and made the correction till here. That is why market is facing little bit challenge from this point to move upward. Now maybe market will be moving, will be holding for at this point for a few days. Then after that it will be trending. But the trend confirmation has been given that market is going upward, and I'll show you on the chart. Now I am putting this chart in the hourly candle. There you can see on the screen. This is the confirmation in hourly candle that has market has given that from this point the market is going up. This is the point when market gave the confirmation, and this is the low. This low should not be broken. If the low this low is broken, that it means the market will go again in the selling zone. So now, but market is holding up and trying to go up. Now you can see there were a few gap downs, but the market is sustaining on the same level. There you can see previous session was that was a gap down session, but market has came down and did not break this low. Again, it is now moving upward. Now, this is the zone where market can take few days. After few days, market can be trending, and then once it will become trending, it will be trending for huge points. Let's see, it is standing on 41,000 points. It will be going minimum for 4 to 5,000 points from here. At least it will be going on the previous high. Now, this is the trend confirmation. Earlier in the earlier sessions, you also can get the trend confirmation on the same chart there. That was the trend confirmation from this point. Then the trend confirmation was from this point. Then that high was this high was as a SL. The SL was not broken. This high was not broken. If you go back and see where the market is giving the confirmation from, then it is being trending for many days. Then again, I show you some other examples. Like you can see, this was the point. The market from this point did not dare to close, or break its high. It was trending till here. Then it gave confirmation that is it is going upward. It is the correction has been ended, and now again you can see there was a gap, huge gap up. Then market went up. Then again market came down, but did not break this low, and again it went up. And after some time, then it gave confirmation from this point that it is going down, and from this point again correction was started. So as back as you go, you can see the confirmation are coming or for buying or selling, and it is keep on happening. And when the confirmation is coming, it is sustaining for longer period. And again, I'll show you the same thing in the stocks, because indexes are driven by stocks. I'll go to the chart of the S&P 500. There again you can see the clear confirmation from this point. The confirmation has come from this point. This was the low, or this was the low for SL. The market is becoming trending again even after the gap downs. Now you can see there were few gap downs after this confirmation. That was the gap down. Then market gap up, again gap up, then gap up, gap down, then again neutral. This is the neutral opening and trying to go up. This is the zone, like Dow Jones is have stopping at one place. It is also stopping at one place, maybe spending some more time at this zone, then becoming trending from this zone. So once it will leave this zone, it will not be easy to catch this market because this is just the starting of the trend. You can see this was the point where the trend was started when the market was at 5,400 points. Now it has been on the 5,600 points. Now 200 points or 300 points has been moved from there, from this point to it is trading now. So the market, the has been changed. The sentiment of the market has been changed. The trend has been changed. Now this is up to you whether you wish to take the advantage of this or not. Now see the clear confirmation. Again, clear confirmation had come, and again the clear confirmation from here. The market was corrected for huge points. See, market will have to go in a longer term. If you think the market will have to go in upward, market will be going this way, but in between it will be making small corrections of, let's see, 2,000 points, 3,000 points, or 4,000 points. Then again it will take trend to go up. Ultimately, market to go to upward only. It will not go down. Again, I'll be showing the chart of the stocks. Now, the you can see yourself that the Meta, the Facebook, the organization, the confirmation, huge confirmation with the cap up. When the confirmation is coming with the cap up, then definitely market is going to sustain with this confirmation, and this low is will not be broken. It gets broken, but most of the time it is going to hold. Now you can see this the same thing in the Meta. This was the gap down. Then even market is sustaining for longer term. Now this is exactly the zone when the market will move from this zone. It will be very very fast speed to go up. Again, showing the same thing that the market confirmation, this was the confirmation, market came down, and now you can see this was the confirmation. This was the confirmation, and this was the high. This was the high. This was the high, and this was the high. The SL was hit, but if you would have taken small extra SL, then the SL will not be broken. So market went for many days. It was in downtrend, delivered good rewards basically. Again, when market gave confirmation to go up, it went up. Sometimes the market creates volatility. We have to be prepared for that volatility. If the trend has been, if the market is in the trend for longer term, then when it changes the trend from, let's say, from bullish to bearish, it becomes volatile for few days. Then it takes a trend, opposite trend from the previous trend. Now, this was the situation of Meta. Now I am opening Tesla. Now on the screen you can see Tesla again. There was a gap up. From this gap up, market is going upward. Market is holding here very patiently. Okay, and these zones are clearly giving the confirmation that market is holding. And once the market breaks this level, then it will be trending for longer term. You can see previous markets of this. Again, the same situation is also happening in this. And Google, let's check Google, how Google is reacting. Now, this is the point of the confirmation. This is low has not been broken. Market came till here, but did not break the low, and it is standing on the upward side. Now Walmart. Let's see how Walmart is behaving. Now huge reward has been delivered. You can see clear confirmation, smooth confirmation in the Walmart. From the point it is giving confirmation, it is becoming trending in one way. Now this was the confirmation after 2 3 candles. The position should have been taken here. Now it has been trending from this point to this point. It was when it was 83,083 dollars. Now it is standing on $100, close to $100. The momentum of $20, which is 25% in Walmart. Huge reward has been delivered, 25% in just few days. Again, I'll show you some example of Apple, wherein the market had become trending for a few days. This was the confirmation. Market was gap up, and this was the confirmation zone. Again, this zone has been broken, but this low has not been broken so far. If you put the cursor, this is the low 195.96, and this is the cursor, this is 199 point, and this was the 190.98 point. Okay, so the sorry low. This low has not been broken so far. Market is still standing up. Now market has given the confirmation. Once this low is broken, then selling market can be started in Apple, but still hold on for some time. Maybe it will go upward. If entire market will move upward, then definitely Apple will also be moving upward. Then again, Amazon gave confirmation. Its confirmation, the confirmation where it had come. Now you can see the confirmation had come here, and with the confirmation that was the low. This low should not be broken. So far, market standing on the close to where it had given the confirmation on the same price. There is no profit and loss. Let's wait for some days. Again, it is giving good confirmation. As much as higher number it will have, there'll be more chances to go up. So now it is on 67 or 90, 60 points. There'll be high chances that market is will be going upward. Again, I'll be showing the same thing in the Netflix. Now, sorry, Nvidia. Nvidia is given the confirmation here, here. Now, this is the low. It's not broken. You can see from your, from on your system as well. Huge reward has been again delivered by Netflix. This was the confirmation. This was the small low to take the position, and after this market has been trending. See, for this huge trend, this is the trend of the close to $300. Now the how much was the SL? You can see this was the confirmation, and this was the zone where the market, the position can be made. Now there you can see this when it was $909, and this was the low $850. So huge confirmation after this confirmation, and huge reward is getting delivered. Fidelity again given the confirmation, moving upward and sustaining itself. Again, BTC was in uptrend. Again, it went in selling. They gave the confirmation basically to move it down, but again, given the confirmation that it will go up because the market was in uptrend. So now you can see here's confirmation is in the BTC. This was the confirmation from 94,000 points, 90 or 95,000 points. Now it is standing on 97,000 points. So these are the scenarios where market can be analyzed very sensibly. Now I'll just show you how Indian market is reacting. This is the chart of the Bank Nifty. Now you can see, now this was the point from where market given the confirmation. Now it is holding so far here till here. Now you can it is creating also pole and flag. Now, the confirmation again has been there that after a downtrend, it is moving upward. The moment it will break this zone, it will be trending for so many points. Again, I'm showing the chart of the Nifty. There you can see that was this was the confirmation zone, and this low has not been broken. The market is standing upward, and the Nifty has very strong momentum so far and standing here itself. Maybe there'll be small correction, then market is preparing to go up for longer term. Maybe taking some pause for few days, then after that it will be becoming trending from this zone. So thank you so much for providing this opportunity, and thank you so much. And this is my request that please subscribe the channel and like the video. This is my request. Thank you so much. Let's meet in tomorrow's analysis of the US market. Thank you so much.